9 Things I Learned Building My First PC, That I Wish I Knew Before, from one newbie builder to another. Welcome to TNW Basics, a collection of tips, guides, and advice on how to easily get the most out of your gadgets, apps, and other stuff. I had long thought about it, but I could never justify investing in a desktop PC. I feared it would mostly end up sitting idle at my desk, as its value and performance continued to depreciate. I'm better off buying a beefy laptop, I kept telling myself. But I was wrong all along. It's been a little over a month since I gathered the courage to put together a rig, and I couldn't be happier about my choice. It's not only been a pleasure to use it for work, but it's also rekindled my love for gaming, which has been a refreshing addition to my daily routine. As fun as it was to assemble my very first PC, there were quite a few things that went wrong in the process. In this piece, I wanted to share some of those hiccups, and also offer some tips on how to avoid them. To be clear, this isn't an all-encompassing instructable on how to build a PC, it's merely a few tips on how to approach the process. You'll still have to do most of the legwork yourself. I'm not by any stretch a pro PC builder, these are merely some reflections on the issues I encountered, and the steps I took to resolve them. You won't learn anything new if you build PCs for living, or even as hobbyists. These are just basic suggestions for newbie builders like myself. Know what you want and stay in your lane. There's always going to be a never-ending list of things you can do better with your build, but it's important to stick to your actual needs and budget. I can't stress this enough. The first thing you should do before picking the parts for your PC is outline what you need it for. That'll help you better plan your budget, and also steer your purchasing decisions in the right direction when you inevitably realize you will have to compromise on certain aspects. For instance, sometimes it'll make sense to splurge more on a CPU, while skimping on a GPU. I ended up doing that myself. I invested more in a CPU, because upgrading a GPU involves less moving parts. For more on this story, visit the news article link.